Okay, let's move to the question number 6. An arithmetic progression has first term a and common difference 2. So we have a is equal to unknown and d is equal to 2, and the nth term is 55. So a n is 55, and the sum of first three time nth term. So sum of 3n time and 3n term is 5760, is 5060. Find the value of a and n, capital N, and we need to find the value of a and capital N. We know that the nth term of the arithmetic progression is nth term of arithmetic progression is a n is equals to a plus capital N minus 1 time d. And the nth term given, which is 55, so we plug it. 55 is equals to a plus n unknown minus 1 time d is given, which is 2. So when we solve it, it will become 55 equals to the a plus 2n minus 2. Okay, when we switch 55, it will become a plus 2n minus 2 minus 55 equal to 0, and solve it further. A plus 2n minus 57 equal to 0, and a equals to 57 minus 2n. So we have find the value of a. Now we can use the second condition, which is first three nth terms. Sum of the first three nth term is 5760. So using series formula, we have Sn is equals to n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 time d. So in this case, n is equals to 3n, and S3n is equals to 5760, and a is unknown, d is equals to 2. So when we plug these value in this equation, it will be S3n is equals to 3n over 2 in bracket 2a plus n means 3n minus 1 time d bracket close. S3n is given, which is 5760, is equals to 3n over 2 and bracket close 2a plus 3n minus 1, and d is equals to 2 and bracket close. So 3 will be cancelled out, and it will be 1920, and 1920 is equals to n over 2, and we take common 2, so it will be a plus 3n minus 1. So 2 will also cancel out, and we will have 1920 is equals to n time a plus 3n minus 1. We have the information of a, which is 57 minus 2n. So a is 57 minus 2n, and when we plug this value of a in this equation, we will have n time 57 minus 2n plus 3n minus 1, and we will have 1920 is equals to the n time 57 minus 1, which is 56, and 3n minus 2n, which is n. And when we multiply, we will have n square plus 56n, which is equal to 1920. So we switch 1920 on the left side, we will have n square plus 56 and minus 1920 equals to 0. We have quadratic equation, so we can apply factorization or the quadratic formula. So n is equals to the negative b, which is 56, plus minus under root b square, which is 56 square, minus 4a, a means 1, and c is negative 1920 over 2 times 1. So when you use calculator, 56 square 3136. So negative 56 plus minus under root 56 square means 3136, and 4 times 4 9 1920 7680. So when we solve it further, we will have plus 7680 over 2. Okay, so n is equals to minus negative 56 plus minus under root 10,816 over 2. Okay, when we solve it further, it is negative 56 plus minus square root of 10,816 is 104 over 2. So we have two values of mine. One is negative 56 plus 104 over 2, and other side n is equals to negative 56 minus 104 over 2. So n is negative in this case, so this is not applicable. So when we solve it, we will have 48 over 2 and n is equals to the 24. So a positive value of n, which is 24, is applicable. We have calculated the n and we need to find the value of a. So we plug this value of n in this equation. So we will have a is equal to 57 minus 2 times 24, and a is equals to 57 minus 48, which is equals to 9. So a is equals to 9 and capital N is equals to the a. So we can say that a is equals to 9. So these are two required values which we have calculated. Now let's move to the question number 7.